We're here to celebrate and honor the artistry of the Artisan Gardens and of all the fantastic contributions of art that we have before us and around us in this very special place. It's just going to be a journey. Let's take it together. Thank you for coming.
The smuts that I brought are the sage from the mountain. It's not just one sage. It is the medication that we all shared 100 years ago. And the plants that were in there gave its life to us, to smuts, so that we could continue with our beautiful lives.
This legacy will be here for a long time, provided we all continue to support these artisan gardens. A place for everyone, an interactive museum, free for the public to enjoy, created for one purpose: to honor people, history, and nature.
First Nations people are an integral part of Alberta's heritage. And the Artisan Gardens helps to honor and share the vibrant, important cultural traditions of First Nations people.
But what else watches and gathers here today with great joy is all the spirits of our ancestors that have come to join with us and to say, good job, good job.
Let's all pitch in, however we may, to sustain these artisan gardens through sponsorship, volunteerism, community. Together, let's teach these ideals to our children and to theirs, to honor the beauty of each other, of nature, and of art.